Mary Housley. Welcome to the city of Seuss. I would like to invite you, with the wave of my hand, to a new competition set in a magical land. We've gathered some bakers, the finest we know. Dr. Seuss Baking Challenge is the name of the show. 9 teams will create these characters so sweet. Will their dreams soar high or collapse in defeat? For fans at home, the teams with the tastiest treats
delicious
will share their winning recipes for free in Amazon's Dr. Seuss Baking Challenge store, so you can watch it and bake it.
Dr. Seuss is so iconic. Oh, the places you'll go has literally been the story of my life.
Knowing how much the Grinch means to our family, I really want to make my boys proud.
Please meet the VIPs who will be judging your desserts. Clarice Lamb.
Hi, bakers.
And Joshua John Russell.
Hi, bakers.
I'm a tiny bit starstruck.
My mind is blown right now.
Are you teams ready to get baking?
We're trying to, like, take it home.
So Seuss.
I would eat this here or there. I would eat this anywhere.
Hello, judges.
I want to own it.
They're running out of time.
It's falling over.
Oh, no. This is wild.
How'd you do this?
Incredible.
In the city of Seuss, every day is filled with magic.